I'm Ejisu from Unless. Our last recipe video looked at personalizing your landing pages for target accounts as part of your ABM campaigns. Well, today we are taking it a step further and looking at how you can use hyper-personalization to engage contacts at your target accounts directly. More than half the work in an account-based marketing campaign will go into identifying your key contacts at target accounts. You're probably personalizing your emails or LinkedIn messages for these contacts. But what about your website? Now, creating a personalized page for every contact might require a lot of work. Instead, you can use Unless to display tailored content dynamically within a single page. It's as if you are speaking to each person individually. First, how to set up the targeting. Having a list of prospects is vital for account-based sales. You can sync these lists with Unless to personalize your outreach further than the first message or email. Unless allows you to pass account information such as account name, company size, industry, funnel status, and more, which can all then be used for optimizing the journey of each prospect. To leverage this data, you can simply use one of our many integrations, UTM parameters, or our API. You can also create a personal link for each prospect to use in your outreach. With this link, it will be possible to identify your prospect once they click through. Then, let's see how we can hyper-personalize for each contact. Individual headlines and subheads are a good place to start. Tailor your headline to a particular person using their name and/or job title. Use a subhead to point out a value proposition that makes your product interesting for them at a personal level. If your key contact is a salesperson, they want to close more deals. Your headline and subhead can read, "You've come to the right place, Anton. Business development managers like you love our CRM. It makes relationship management easy and helps you close deals faster with simple workflows." If they're a marketer, their goal is to get more leads in and work seamlessly with sales. Your headline can be, "You've come to the right place, Anna. Marketing managers like you love our CRM. It plugs into any marketing automation tool and improves collaboration with sales." Here, it's important to mention that this is a very particular case for ABM. In most cases, we would advise against inserting personally identifiable information, like someone's name, onto your website, particularly pre-login. This is definitely a careful line to manage. Then, you can add testimonials from peers. Personalize the social proof on the page by displaying reviews, quotes, or testimonials from people that have similar roles and that maybe even work in similar industries. That way, your key contact will know they are in good company. Final touch with a personalized CTA. So, you've added personalized content throughout your page and spoken to your contact by name. Add a compelling CTA to seal the deal. Typically, you'll want to include the name of your sales rep and invite them to schedule a chat. Ready to learn more? Book a demo with Marcel. Time to wrap this up with an example. Billable is a billing and revenue management company, and you are now looking at their generic homepage aimed at everyone. Let's see how this page can be hyper-personalized for Claudia specifically, their main contact at a target account. We see the experience starts right at the headline with the name of the contact. They've also mentioned the name of the account manager that is in touch with her, Lexi. Lastly, a subtle but nice touch is that they highlight quotes from happy customers who in this case happen to be CFOs, just like Claudia. That's it for this recipe. Stay tuned for our next recipe video, which coincidentally will be the last in the Unless cookbook series. So make sure not to miss it. Until then,